absolutely hooked it up. Yeah, so we just moved into this office. Gonna keep like all our stuff, Palmer compound, all that good stuff here. Aha, what's up?
Hey there.
Give me a tour.
This is the headquarters. That's business over there. Playing around and shipping and watching YouTube videos, some cool ones. Come on, look at it, dude. Look at best channel on YouTube right now.
Even got the Masterpiece bike here. Some of the merch. Even got some of the new stuff that's coming.
New Skills Racing. We are switching from Fox to Skills. Braxton's switching from whatever he usually runs to Skills. He doesn't know about this, but we got him these. So we're gonna surprise him later on in this video. Palmer compound, nice and small on the front.
That's clean.
Clean. And then I don't know what Caden was thinking.
Yeah, then we got all my stuff. I went pretty chill. Got the polka dot. Black matches every set of gear I have, so it'll work perfect. And then we got this color scheme. And then a white jersey. Palmer compound on everything. And then, yeah, so our boy B Wild, he's got his new thing, Ride Till Death, coming. So we thought it'd be cool to surprise him with gear. He has no idea we got him that. And basically tomorrow we're riding OCA up in northern Utah. So we're gonna, while we're getting ready, we're gonna basically pass it to him and surprise him. So you'll see that later in the video, but should be sick. I think he'll be pretty excited. So yeah, let's get right into the video.
Let's go racing, racers!
That's so funny!
This thing, you just polish it, don't it?
Yeah.
There we go, on it. We're getting closer, the track's looking fire.
Track right now.
We got on the fresh Palmer compound tee embroidery. It's coming June 23rd, we're gonna release it. Rocking the new gear today too, so pretty stoked on that. You hear that?
The gear's sick. The gear's actually really dope.
You gonna maybe get a new set of gear?
Maybe, you know, I've been thinking about it. I hear it gets you laid, so I'm gonna give it a try.
That Skills Racing gear is fire. We just got it. So we'll stay tuned. It's gonna look sick. Super stoked on it. Coming in hot. Celebrating over 60 years of exclusive operation. OCA. Let's go racing.
Bike rider.
This is actually one of the better tracks of Utah for sure.
I'm having a hard time getting into the track.
They're not just letting us in after our last showing with Temecula. Canopy's up, looking good. It's an amazing day out here. Got the crew. Be wild!
What's up?
Check my gear out, bro.
I want to see.
Check that.
That's dope. That is dope.
All black.
So Skills absolutely hooked it up. Fully custom gear.
This gonna get you laid.
Yeah, look at this.
Hell
Palmer compound on everything.
Fire.
Yeah, and I mean, also, dude, check my other set out. Check this out.
What the are you kidding me? Shut up! Are you serious?
That's what you wanted, right?
Yeah, are you kidding me?
Ride
That's
Till
so
Death,
dope.
Palmer compound.
That is so dope. Are you
Hey, bro.
No way.
We got one more too.
No way, bro.
We gotta have you looking good too. Skills. Shout out Skills, bro.
Love you guys. Shout out to Skills. I'm gonna get laid tonight.
Hooked us all up. Fully custom gear. We'll leave the link in the description. We got a code all the homies can use.
Oh, damn. This is like Christmas. I'm so stoked right now. Bike's fresh.
The Black Panther.
Aw, dude, this is fire.
Look at it. Ride Till Death.
And another is 317.
No way, bro. This
Look at the back.
so sick.
Yeah, shout out Bubba too. He's the man who put
big
all this
shout out to
together.
Bubba.
He got us set up. Everyone's set up, fully custom. But it's gonna be a good day.
It's
On
gonna
some
be a
fresh
good
gear,
day.
fresh bikes, all that good stuff.
You should probably triple in. I think he's gonna triple in. Hasted. And he's gonna whip it. Yeah.
I'm gonna dump this on him, cold water. Everybody's out here. Woo! Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're not subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Other than that, drop a comment of some other tracks you'd like to see us at. We've been traveling a lot lately, so if there's any good ones you recommend, drop a comment. Maybe one day we'll be there. Other than that, we'll see you guys next time, and later.
Hey, Denver's that way.